Hey, Mike T here to talk about my FDIC presentation, Structural Firefighting Safety, What We Can Learn from Psychology. You know, over the last 25 years, we've seen improvements in our PPE, in our tactics, in our technology, in our understanding of fire dynamics, in our training, yet we haven't seen a significant reduction in line of duty deaths or injuries. Most of the decrease in line of duty deaths and injuries actually tracks back to the fact that we respond to less structural firefighting calls. So my belief is that if we don't understand how our minds work in those situations and how we make decisions, we will never improve the number of line of duty deaths that we experience each year. My presentation will talk about that. We'll talk about things like Klein's recognition prime decision making theory. We'll talk about a competing theory by Kahneman and Tversky called heuristics and biases that directly competes with Klein's theory. Kahneman and Tversky came up with several biases that affect us on the fire ground, things like the anchoring effect, confirmation bias, and attribute substitution. If you understand these, you'll know how we can make mistakes on the fire ground and how to correct them in advance. We'll also talk about reasons, theories of error, and how we can look at error management. And we'll look at Sidney Decker's theories of safety and safety differently. If we're going to increase our safety in structural firefighting, we really need to understand how our brain works. And that's why my motto for this year is the best PPE is a well-trained mind. I hope to see you at FDIC in April. Looking forward to meeting you all. Thank you.